Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a leaf logo design in Illustrator. So let's get started and please. First, I open my Illustrator and open my drawing file. Drawing file link, check desk box. Now I take a shape. Then use a pen tool. Now select and use a shape builder tool. Now it's 4. Then take line segment tool. Now remove. Now select and this stroke it. Now, this leaf shape builder tool color select. Now, use a pen tool. Then this copy. Okay, it's look beautiful. Again, use a pen. It is very easy and simple. It's okay. Now again, use a pen tool. Now it's 4. It's okay. Now, take a shape. It's some rounded. Now take a shape. Now, color selection. Extra side for remove. Now select color. Now select a circle. Oh, it's look beautiful. Okay, the video is end, so please subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum or rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.